Hi guys, it's Blackie and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick tip or trick, and this is going to be going into both the cooking channel and into the ground pounder series because it kind of links two things. As you know, in using military surplus mess kit, you also sometimes going to use the silverware that goes with it. Now I learned this trick over 50 years ago on a creek bank, but it was using the U.S. Army type fork and spoon, and it was for deep frying. You're frying fish or something like that, because sometimes you're cooking something and either it's really tender like fish that you don't want to stab it and turn it over like you do a piece of meat, like a piece of steak or something. You want to grab it and roll it over, and sometimes that's easy and sometimes it's not, because some things are pieces of chicken or fish or whatever are odd shaped, and you don't want to roll over without splashing oil everywhere or something like that, and that can be a little detrimental. Well, there's a little trick you can use with these utensils to make it work easier. And what you're going to need is and it works for the spoon or the fork, is you're going to get yourself a stick, a green stick. It's got to be green and flexible. Or in this case, we're going to use a chopstick. You're going to use that hole in the handle. Now, let me show you in my skillet right quick, and I'm going to pick something up and show you, because this would be like I'm frying something, and when I pick it up, I want to hold it and drain the oil off of it. See, instead of stabbing it, I want to just pick it up and let the oil drain off, and then move it over to a cooling rack or a drying rack or something with paper towels for the rest of the oil to seep off of it. I want to gently pick it up, and I don't want to tear it up. Here's what you're going to do. Okay, we're going to use this to represent something that I want to pick up, right? You're going to take your fork or your spoon, and you're going to slide the stick into the handle, just like that, until the end is just about a quarter of an inch further than the tines. That way, you see, when you take your thumb and you push down, it closes up. So now I take and scoop under, pierce, and pick it up as a piece of tong, and I can sit there and drain the stuff off of it, transfer it over here, let go, and put another piece of fish in. The U.S. Army mess kit can be used as a tong this way, see, and it also works same way with a spoon. You can pick stuff up with a spoon. It's got to be a flexible stick, of course, to pick it up, but other than that, it's really simple. So for frying or something like that, that's all I got to do. I can pick up a fillet over here or something, put it into the hot grease, scoop it, make sure the stick isn't longer. You need it about even or just a grunt. Pick it up, turn it over, just like that. Super simple little trick. This is another one of those super little dumb little ideas that nobody thought about. All you gotta do is stick a green stick in there and it's a pair of tongs. I learned this on a creek bank from an old Marine friend of mine. We were frying fish for a group. We stopped during the day, we're going along the river and we're filleting fish and putting them in the ice chest as we're going, because we're trying to fill up a freezer. And we wanted to cook some fish for lunch. Well, he brought out a skillet, brought out some oil, we got a fire going, and we had fish, and he was picking up a fillet, putting it in, picking it up, taking it out, all just like that. Quick and easy improvised tong. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, guys, please hit that like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And there'll be more videos coming up in the ground pounder and the cooking series pretty soon. Till next time, guys, safe journeys.